As you already know, on this show, we pick up issues that were trending in the course of the week. We talk about them, we summarize them, so that just in case you missed any, you can just
give me. Yeah.
Next time we'll show up.
Yeah. Kalani friend me for credit. Meanwhile, me if I never chop sense. Cool guy, I did my day. I know they like this base, so surely way they do so you they bore me. Oh, guy say she get fine apples. I tell her say she come, I'm home. She say, are you sure? I say yeah, why not? And she say she they come a movie Kongwa so hey so. Me need to my friend match. She said, Drill, I'm coming with Uber. Will you pay me? Say, I go pay half. No invite. My body compass. She say I'm on my way. I say, oh sir, where should I alight? I say total. I'm coming with my books, math, English, French. I said, don't worry, you know what? Just come, I will teach you. Chemistry. Chemistry. Me the work of Shalaba. Acid-based reaction. Chemistry. Teach you. Chemistry.
Hello and welcome to the Independence edition of Midweek Entertainment and Lifestyle News. Please, to represent Ghana, I mean something gold. But that I also wear something red.
Red and
black. Yes, please. We don't have green when you're watching. Wear green. Okay. So today is fifth March.
Yeah.
Yes, tomorrow is 6th March. And then how old will be Ghana?
Ghana will be 62.
Hey, Ghana will be 62. Please, pardon my voice. We are all celebrating Ghana. Let's have fun. Okay. So now let's go to the issues of the week. Things that have been trending this week. It has been fire. I would die if I signed with CB Records. That's Celebrity Baba Records for 5 years, says Abena Morgan. That's from OdateGHnews.com.
Yeah, so I had a one-on-one session with fast-rising singer, Afrobeat singer Abena Morgan, and she made lots of shocking revelations on that discussion. And those who have watched Abena Morgan one-on-one to OdateGH will know what we are talking about. Guys, if you haven't watched, check that video. Okay, so according to her, she said she would die if she signs 5 years contract with CB Records.
She will die saying.
According to her, she said she wanted to sign 2 years contract, but then the record label CB Record, that's a bit Baba Record, was like, nah, they want 5 years. And according to her, she had not even signed the record, but she had gone through a lot.
Like what?
According to according to her.
Tell us, you want to know.
Oh yeah. According to her, she met Celebrity Baba. And then she DM'd him actually on Instagram, and they met, and he told Celebrity Baba that he wants to work with him, or he wants him to manage her. And you know, Celebrity Baba also, I mean, worked with lots of celebrities like Sarkodie, Kiddy, and what have you. So he had a record label, so he brought Abena Morgan on board. And according to Abena Morgan, they were living together in the same room. I don't want to give all the gist. As I said, they should watch.
Go and watch
the footage.
I've watched it. It's a serious issue. Serious issue. The slapping and all.
Yeah, exactly. And one thing she said, if not for Stonebwoy, she would have been dead by now. So guys, check that.
Go on YouTube. If not for Stonebwoy, I'll be dead by now.
Yeah.
On 101 to that age, Abena Morgan, you'll find the whole story. It's a crazy story. You should watch it.
You should just check the channel.
Yes. Yes. So why is she saying she would die? Is it that the pain she's going through, or what's making her say she would die?
Obviously, as I said, you should check the channel.
Okay.
I don't want to say everything.
Odate is holding information. Go also check. Okay, so next on the issue, we have God will expose you for using Juju, says Pope Skinny. Hey, wait, let me reread this. Their case is confusing. Let me carry I'm confused. God will expose you for using Juju. Pope Skinny tells Shatta Wale. That's mynewsgh.com.
Yeah, so there's fire in the camp of Shatta Wale or Shatta movement.
Taking over squad.
And I mean, the beef started when Taju and
who is Taju?
He's, I mean, one of the guys in this SM family or SM movement had exchange of voice with what's the name? It's not Rabi. One of the
Blade, Anna.
Not Blade. You see, taking over. We had joined 77 and Captain and one
Adi.
I think Adi self. So Taju and
Adi self. If for signing, I know your team.
They're having some kind of beef. I know some one-on-one thing. So that's where the actual thing started from. Now, right now, Pope Skinny and Shatta Wale are now
divorced.
And now they are now the people who are actually, I mean, exchanging words and serious revelations. Don't forget that fat something on Snapchat for me. It's still releasing keys, and actually that Snapchat blogger released some keys about Shatta Wale and all this kind of stuff. And that it was what even triggered this heat between Pope Skinny and Shatta Wale. You should also forget that Pope Skinny and Shatta Wale were very tight.
I know. Are they not best friends?
I wouldn't say that, but I would say they are more like they are brothers.
Oh, okay.
You get it? Pope Skinny went on Snap saying that Shatta Wale uses Juju. He has gone to Benin to seek some gods and all this kind of. That's why he's when he drops tracks, it hits over and over again.
Okay.
And Shatta Wale also said that, hey, you are nobody and you owe the home by time. You came to join my camp and right now you are somebody. So don't be there and talk ill about my brand. You have been owing me $10,000. Bring my money. Even the banks that I oh my goodness. But I'm wondering why though. I
heard he's saying that Pope Skinny is a rapist and then...
Yes, no, Pope Skinny was actually said Shatta Wale is a rapist. That Shatta Wale
really?
has some young girl.
Hey, I thought the story is the other way around and that Pope Skinny... No. Shatta Wale is saying Pope Skinny the rapist.
Pope Skinny attached Shatta Wale of being a rapist.
Hey, no, wait. Oh.
And even another key that also went, that is also trending is that this I know a Sean, and a Sean was actually wanting to do some kind of collab with Shatta Wale, because a Sean has been doing solo songs for a while and he has not really done any.
And by the way, before you go on, so far I think Sean is one of the best female artists in Ghana so far. I'm not. It's like
she's one of the best vocalists.
Like she's on point.
Yeah.
As compared to those who have hits, the females who have hits, it's mostly because people write songs for them. Them Adina, them Wendy Shea. But I don't know if people write for Sean, but I think Sean is one of the best. Yeah. She's one of the best.
Yeah.
So what is the story?
Yeah, so as I said, she wanted to do a collab and that Snapchat blogger released a key that Shatta wanted to sleep with Sean before they would do the collab.
Please, so alleged. We beg, alleged.
So because Sean didn't give in to that, sister if you had no call and after any years collaboration. So that is what I said. Now more keys are coming and we will give our viewers the updates as
well. I think both of them are being childish. I'm not going to qualify what is raw as that. One, you Pope Skinny, if you know Shatta Wale is calling God and it's not the right God, and you were still in his camp, then you mean you are a hypocrite. You were there, as Shatta said, just for his fame, just to get money. Yes, so if you know he's not real, Shatta is fake. Why were you his friend? So if this hadn't come up, you would still be friends with somebody you know is fake, meaning you are more fake than him. And Shatta Wale too. Yeah. You too, somebody that, hey, these people, they don't change an answer saying. So it's like Shatta there, every time he has to pick on something to trend and all. I don't know, if you are the boss of SM camp, I think you should start acting like the boss. Start acting it. Okay, next issue, Sumsum Ahuofe, the guy with it. Calls out Akuapem Poloo for faking her accident. That's ghpage.com.
All right, so Sumsum Ahuofe, the guy with the. All right, so come out actor.
Before that, did Akuapem Poloo get an accident?
No, she didn't.
Hey, so she faked that. She faked that one too. Give us the story from the incident article.
All right, so what actually happened?
Tell them.
Happened was that Akuapem Poloo recorded a video, of her new song "Sexy Polo" featuring Tick, and she did a video from her car where she was shaking her ass. I mean, she was doing so many things. Guys, you can just check her page out to see what she was doing. So a 1 minute video, some people even say she nearly exposed her V. Okay.
Vagina. What is V? Vagina.
So within a span of less than 1 hour, the video amassed 1.1 million views or 1 million views. And guys, our celebrities, the likes of the top, I'm talking about Von Nelson, Sarkodie, Jackie Appiah, none of them have ever hit 1 million views. They've not even hit 1 million views before. Talk of hitting in an hour. You get it? So after she made this feat, she did another video, I mean, praising herself, saying that, oh my God, I mean, those so-called celebrities have never even...
Act like, let me see. Like, oh You're loud.
She's very loud. So shortly after that as well, she posted a picture later in the day, somewhere around 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. of her, hospitalized, and also a picture of a car which had had an accident. And she wrote a very sad caption that she didn't want to post this picture, but her haters have gotten her and all this kind of stuff. So she prays that fans sympathize and also pray for her as she's going through this trying moments. Shortly after that, as people were actually bashing her, commenting, so that particular post was also getting some kind of lots of comments. So she quickly deleted that picture. But bloggers are very smart, and the internet does not fail. A lot of people had screenshots and also had images of that. So as I said, bloggers posted them and all this kind of stuff. So all they went viral. They went viral for the wrong reasons. And as I said, Kumawood actor Sunsum has actually gone for Akuapem Poloo. And this time around, Sunsum said that Akuapem Poloo wants to do anything to trend. You shouldn't forget that.
It's bad.
That's what he's actually advising Akuapem Poloo that no, you can't fake an accident to trend.
Be careful because what you wish for.
Yeah, exactly. So she's saying that Akuapem Poloo is so desperate for fame, said that she wants to do everything, but she should be very, 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 very careful. And she shouldn't forget that people are also looking up to her. People are also watching her and all this kind of stuff. And you can't do this. You can't play pranks on people. It's never done. So as you are saying, you should be careful of what you wish for.
Very careful. So, mommy, I don't know. See what? Well, better was him.
Exactly.
Okay. So let me go to the next one. I really don't know what is up with her. Oh. You've 1 million views. What else do you want? Exactly. That's you're dang. Okay, so next story we have Ghanaians are bound to fail because government is selling the country, says Kwesi Arthur, and that's from browngh.com.
Yeah, so Kwesi Arthur, our very own Kwesi Arthur. Kwesi Arthur. Yeah, so Kwesi Arthur went on Tim Westwood and
what is that?
Tim Westwood show. Okay, Tim Westwood is a DJ, a UK DJ. He has his own channel, and what he does is that he tends to promote, or let me say, he gives rappers the opportunity to display what they have, so freestyle. And I mean, top music acts have passed through from all over the world, though, not Ghana.
Oh,
and
okay,
talking
cool.
of Ghana, once you're a good MC, like once you the rapper, one pass it through Timos, and there's another rapper.
Hey.
Manifest, Strongman, Yapuno, what have you? All of them have passed through.
Tim Westwood make me pass through. I'll drop my demo.
The rap.
I'll drop my demo. Hey, I'll give you a freestyle.
Freestyle.
Later.
Yeah, so Kwesi Arthur, we all know Kwesi Arthur is a very good MC. Started with rapping and then he had to change his style just to suit our Ghanaian music fraternity. So we went on Tim Westwood just some few days ago, and as I said, although you rap, you still engage you in a conversation. That's like an interview. So here, Kwesi Arthur was talking about where he came from, Tema, and also the Ghanaian economic status. So he was saying that where he comes from, Ghanaians are bound to fail. And the reason why he said that is he said that based on what is happening in our country some few years and also now, that politicians are taking Ghanaians for granted, are taking the citizens for granted, saying that politicians amass wealth for themselves. And one thing that he said, that like I've been thinking about this thing, honestly. He said that Ghanaian politicians are actually auctioning our wealth, that is our property, what our sovereign country owns. They're auctioning it to the foreign people or people outside Ghana. So very soon, I'll not be surprised if you be in your hand and tell that no, it's a serious thing I'm saying. It's a serious thing I'm saying. Exactly. Because right now, ECG is gone. Very soon, other government-owned, state-owned enterprises will also go. They started even going already. Ghana Telecom is gone. Vodafone came to take it. Now ECG is gone. PDS has come. More of them will be gone. And it's actually, they are selling it. As you said, they are auctioning it. They are selling it.
Would you want to say anything about this issue? It is true. It's as simple as ABC. It is true. Whatever Kwesi has said is true.
So you see, Kwesi Arthur is not only a musician. He knows what is happening.
Of course, he's Ghanaian. He's right. Let's go to the next issue. Now, when you're done selling Ghana, then you go and live in Togo. Okay. Okay. So next, if you have difficulties learning, just smoke weed. Yapono advises students. gbase.com.
GBase. Hey, into Yapono so there. Oh no, what's the sound that? Yes, sir.
Someone.
Okay, so Pentor Week Artist Night came off last Saturday, and
is Yapono the same as Ponobium?
Yeah, Ponobium.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and lots of acts passed through, likes of Kwamina MP.
Hey, so we the party. I like you. I don't know who you. I don't even know your face, but I like you. I like your song.
Akrama man's favorite song. We are seeing do Kwejo.
I like that song.
All right, so shout out to Ruben Wallace. Yeah, so as I said, lots of acts passed through.
But the way you do this, you look like a quiz master.
Because I want to tackle the issue.
Tackle.
Yapono went on stage, okay, and performed. After performing, he urged Lagos students to smoke weed.
Premier University.
Can you imagine? He was like, their parents are paying lots of money. And they need results. So if they are learning, I'm going to come with 3 months. The
backup plan. That thing, let me tell you something sad in this Ghana. Something sad. So imagine you go to school, a parent take care of you, you go to school, you go to the university. Even aside the university, they are still paying for your fees. And aside the fees, you are paying hall dues, hall fee, hall this. And when it is hall week, they take the money to go and give to some motherfucker. sorry for saying that, but some idiots. Lisa Lexo said, "Omo hall week back, omo see when be fame. Sa akwa ni say to no.
Where now? Oh.
Your boss na say super. And almost times come on. Meanwhile, students, parents suffer to get money for children, and then someone like Super 2 second star comes to pass through, and then you could quote such amounts for the person to go. What is Super going to teach these people? Like, what are they taking from someone like Super? Do you understand? Now we are putting now we entertainer now we see we are paying I don't have a stage now and kwara go when no say she we to owo for no o say she we now we mun na what time kwara sika parents o wo mo sweat now they are mom no omo de call now obetu efu so omo omo she we now if all our leaders smoke we no wonder they are selling our country. Okay, they are auctioning the country. They are auctioning. I don't know.
I mean, aside the Yapono's comment, the performances from Mr. Easy and Promise JB was lit. I mean, they really sparked up. They rocked the place, and I mean, Pentor Week was a success. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So this has been the trending issues, and then because tomorrow is Independence Day, I'm just going to give you some, facts about Ghana. That's for my tip. Okay, so Ghana is 62 years old on Wednesday, 6th March. So then 6th March 1957, it was a Wednesday, and this one too is going to be a Wednesday.
Oh wow,
so
that's
nice.
Yeah. What a coincidence.
And then Kwame Nkrumah made the Independence Day declaration around midnight. It's Ahomache. Yes, before Ghanaians woke up, we're free people.
Oh wow.
Okay, and I think let me read this one. On 18 December 1956, it was decided and announced that the official date for Ghana to be declared independence was set. It wasn't something that happened though. It was planned until finally said that this day they earmarked the day to be announced. Yes, and then do you know that our current president Nana Addo Dankwa, he is related to 3 people from the current Big 6. And Edward Akufo-Addo, who was his biological father. William Oforiatta was his mother's brother. That's his uncle. And then J.B. Dankwa was his grand uncle.
Wow.
So one person related to them. No wonder he's, I mean, this has been your midweek entertainment and lifestyle news review. So to come your way next week, it's bye for now.